Today I'll be showing you how to put together the Maxking 1129 handmade stainless steel barbecue. The first stage right to the end. So our first stage in putting the Maxking barbecue together is putting the wheels on. As you can see, I put the 3 wheels on already. I'm just going to put one so you can actually see it. Like that, that's it. That's the first stage. Second stage is to take the crossbars here when they've got screws. I've taken these ones off already, I'll just show you. So you just take that off and that off on all the crossbars, ready to put onto our sides. So the first thing we do, you make sure that there goes to this, so that goes there, and we put that there, which goes here. We will tighten this more securely once we've got the 4 in. And our last crossbar goes here. That's it. So our next stage is putting these 4 screws underneath to tighten up. So you use a screwdriver for this. Come underneath here. Right. Once we put the screws on, we need to tighten this up by getting the Allen key and tightening these sides. So our next step is to put the tray in, but before we put the tray in, we need to take the 4 screws off. After you've taken the 4 screws off, I just want to show you an area where you need to take note of. So where this is down, you need to pull this up so it stays up like this. And as you can see, there's 2 holders here, which is going to hold the tray so you'll be able to screw it in. And the same on the other side. So I will take the tray like this, put that on that end, and then pull this up. Now that I've set it down, I put these 2 ends must go on top, like this. See? Like that. Then what we do, the screws that we put aside, we now can screw it back in, which is here. Once I have screwed all the 4 screws in, I come to the side and we have, and I'll need the Allen key for this, we have an Allen key nut here with a nut on the back. So we need to undo this nut, and we have the same on the other side. Once we've taken that, we need to get the lifting arm, which is here, making sure that this will finish on this side. It needs to go round the back here, completely around the back, and then here we need to put the nut that we took off to the nut here and tighten up with an Allen key. We can tighten this stronger once we've got it hooked up. Come round the other side and we do the same here. And then you have one here, Allen key needed for this as well. So this holds it here. We will tighten everything up securely once we've got everything seated in its place. And we have one here as well. Once we've tightened all the Allen key nuts and we've got it secure, we need to put the handle on. The handle also has a Allen key nut and nut which we need to take off. We then put this through here. Through the hole, around the other side. The nut, and we tighten. This now, as you see, we can now move the cold tray up and down. Right, now we need to put the back panel, which is here, on the back of the barbecue, which is here. As you can see, there's 4 screws which we need to take off. So we now need to take these off. So we take that back plate and try. Yeah. Okay. So now if you're watching, you need to square that up, making sure the legs and everything, and tighten these up. So once I've tightened the 4 screws on the back panel, I need to stabilize it with the shelf. So I'm just turning it to the front again. I'll pick up shelves. Your leg. That's that one done. That one done. And now we can put our cold tray in, which is here. We can also put our grills in. We can now put our side panels in. We can put our back grill part in. Once you've put all the gearboxes in, I need to show you how to put the motor in. And you'll notice there's a small Allen key, and I'll show you what that is used for. So basically, what we do here is you loosen this. You attach there, then you pull that. Once that's really close up, you want to tighten this nut. So what happens, it just becomes stronger and it doesn't swaddle all over the place like that. Again, I'll show you for the back panel how it's put in again. So we undo this nut here, just a little bit, come back, slots in here, so up over, in it goes, push it right up to the edge, and now you can tighten the Allen key. Obviously, when you want to take these off, again, you would undo the Allen key and just pull it up from the thing. So these are your two motors on now. Now we need to put the wooden handles in, which goes onto the side here. I'll show you this as well. So here's our wooden handles and the 4 nuts. So basically what these do is you can move these up and down and adjust the top as well. See, like this, and you can tighten it up to the position you want. You can tighten the top up like that. These nuts are for something we're planning on for the future. So we just put these here. We're actually thinking of putting the tray here in the future. So these might be able to hold everything for us. And again, put the Allen key nuts on. Once we've tightened all these and made it to the height we want to, I'm going to finish up with putting all the skewers in, all in one go for you. So just take all the skewers, so now we're going to put these together. These just screw on like this. Obviously you adjust this to your meat or your chicken. That would be my first skewer. Once we put our large skewer in, we need to just show you regarding the electric plug. These obviously just plug in here. And if you don't have electric, you can use the adapter, which you can plug in and use a 12-volt battery. And that concludes the Maxking 1129 stainless steel barbecue assembly. Thank you for watching. See you next time.